Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 4.6 drop kit is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, dramatically changing its look and feel. This video will walk you through everything you need to know before purchasing and installing a 4.6 drop kit, from choosing the right kit for your needs and budget to tackling the installation process itself, ensuring a smooth and successful modification. Number 5. RTZ Lowering Kit for Silverado Sierra. Get ready to transform your truck's look and feel. This kit offers a dramatic drop with improved handling and a smooth ride. It's time to give your truck an aggressive, low-profile stance. This kit delivers the ultimate slammed look without sacrificing ride quality. It's built to last with precision machined components, robotic welding, and a durable powder-coated finish. You're getting superior quality and reliability. Experience a surprisingly smooth ride, even with the aggressive drop. It's engineered to handle better than stock. Installation is primarily bolt-on, requiring only minor frame notching. Detailed instructions make the process straightforward. This kit includes everything you need: spindles, springs, flip kit, frame notch kit, shackles, and premium shocks. You'll have everything you need for a complete transformation. It's designed for 1988 to 1998 Chevrolet and GMC Silverado and Sierra 1500 pickups, 2 WD V8 models. Requires 17 or larger rims. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our limited lifetime warranty. What we like. It offers an aggressive, slammed look while maintaining a surprisingly smooth ride. The lifetime warranty gives you peace of mind. If you're aiming for that lowrider aesthetic with reliable performance, this is the kit for you. What people say. These parts were well made and fit well, with a minimum of hassle. Everything fit great. I combined with a hanger drop and the axle was sitting on the C-notch if it would be a problem without. After step notch, tank lift, member and cab clearancing, the truck rides good with this kit. This kit has everything that you need to lower your truck. All parts are there and well made. Number 4. Rough Country Lowering Kit. Get ready to upgrade your truck's look and stance with this easy-to-install kit. It's designed to perfectly lower your 2007 to 2014 Chevy GMC 1500 2WD. This kit lowers the front by 2 inches and the rear by 4 inches, giving your truck a sleek, leveled appearance. The rear drop is even adjustable for a perfect custom fit. With its adjustable rear drop, you can fine-tune the lowering effect between 4 and 4.5 inches to achieve your desired stance. It's all about that perfect look. It can be fully realigned to factory specifications after installation, ensuring optimal handling and safety. Drive with confidence. Enjoy the same comfortable ride you're used to, even after the lowering. It's designed to maintain that factory feel. Change your mind? No problem. This kit allows for a complete return to the original factory height if you decide to go back. This kit is backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, giving you peace of mind and lasting value. It's a long-term investment in your truck style. What we like. This kit provides a balanced 2-4 drop, keeping your truck level. The adjustable rear allows for fine-tuning. If you want a subtle drop without sacrificing the factory ride quality, this is a great option. What people say. Installation took about 9 hours. Nice lowering kit. Front, easier than rear. Number 3. McGaughys 1500 Lowering Kit. This kit gives your truck a sleek, aggressive stance. It's designed for a perfect fit and smooth ride. It features robust cast steel control arms for superior strength and durability. These arms are essential for a safe and reliable lowering experience. Everything you need is included: spindles, struts, shocks, axle flip kit, and more. Installation is straightforward with the included instructions. This kit provides a comprehensive upgrade for both the front and rear of your truck. Enjoy a balanced and controlled ride at a lower height. It offers adjustability to fine-tune the lowered stance to your exact preferences. Achieve the perfect balance of style and functionality. With easy-to-follow instructions and all the necessary hardware, installation is a breeze. Get the look you want without the hassle. It's not just about looks, it also enhances your truck's handling and performance. Experience a more controlled and responsive ride. What we like. It's highly adjustable to dial in your perfect stance. The cast steel control arms offer superior strength and durability. If you need precise adjustability and premium components, this kit is worth considering. What people say. Nice kit, packaged good, no issues. Great kit but kind of disappointed with the inloaded instructions. Not enough detail, just seems to be parts thrown in a box and then you can figure it out. Just needs to have better instructions and a parts inventory sheet given the fact that you're dealing with a lot of different components. It is still a quality product though. Number 2. MaxTrac K331336S Lowering Kit. Get ready to experience a dramatic upgrade to your vehicle's stance and handling. This kit offers a customizable drop, enhancing both style and performance. It precisely lowers the front end by 3/5 of an inch. This precise drop improves aerodynamics and gives a sportier look. In the rear, it provides a 4/6-inch drop. This balanced drop enhances the vehicle's overall aesthetic appeal. High-quality lowering spindles are included for a smooth and safe drop. These ensure proper alignment and a comfortable ride. It features adjustable lowering struts in the front and an adjustable flip kit in the rear. This allows for fine-tuning your vehicle's stance to your exact preference. High-performance MaxTrac shocks are included to provide optimal damping and control, even with the lowered suspension. Enjoy a smooth and controlled ride. What we like. This kit offers a significant drop with quality shocks for a balanced ride. The included MaxTrac shocks provide improved damping and control. If you want a substantial drop with enhanced handling, this is a solid choice. Number 1. Bzcovac 301360 Flip Kit. Upgrade your Silverado or Sierra 1500 with this easy-to-install rear flip kit. It's designed for a smooth, customized look and feel. This kit fits both 2WD and 4WD models of the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500 from 2007 to 2018. It's the perfect solution for your truck. Get the perfect drop height for your truck. It offers a 5 to 6 inch drop, but you can adjust it from 4 to 7 inches depending on your needs. Installation is a breeze. Everything you need is included, and no cutting or C-notching is necessary. Save time and effort. It features a durable powder-coated finish that resists corrosion, ensuring it looks great and lasts for years to come. Buy with confidence knowing you're getting a brand new, high-quality product from Bzcovac. We're committed to providing you with the best parts. What we like. It provides a significant adjustable drop without the need for frame modifications. The straightforward installation saves you time and effort. If you want a clean, easy installation with a customizable drop, this is the perfect option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.